The city was shaking. Buildings were cracking. Cars were flying in the air. Hulk was on a rampage. Hulk smash! People were screaming and running for their lives. Suddenly, a web shot through the smoke. "Hey, big guy, ever heard about anger management?" Spider-Man landed in front of Hulk, standing brave but cautious. Spider-Man started attacking with speed and smart moves. He wrapped Hulk's arms with thick webs, jumped from building to building, and tried to distract him. But Hulk was too strong. "Hulk, not stop!" With a powerful roar, Hulk broke all the webs and slammed Spider-Man into the ground. Spider-Man struggled to stand up. "Okay, this is way above my pay grade," he whispered. Hulk kept smashing everything around him. The city was losing hope. Suddenly, the sky changed color. A bright golden light appeared in the air. Instant transmission. In one blink, Goku appeared, floating calmly above the broken streets. Goku looked at Hulk and smiled. "So, you're the one causing all this trouble?" Hulk growled and jumped toward Goku with full force. Goku blocked Hulk's punch easily, sliding back only a few steps. "Wow, you're really strong!" Spider-Man stared in shock. Who is this guy?" Goku turned and smiled. "I'm Goku. Let's save this city together." Spider-Man nodded. Best team up ever. Now the real fight began. Spider-Man distracted Hulk from above, shooting webs into his eyes and pulling heavy objects around him. At the same time, Goku attacked Hulk head-on, landing powerful punches and fast kicks. Hulk was angry, but slowly, he was losing control. Kamehameha! Goku fired a controlled energy blast, pushing Hulk back without destroying the city. Spider-Man used his strongest webs, wrapping Hulk completely. Together, they finally forced Hulk to his knees. Hulk breathed heavily, then slowly stood up. "This not over!" Hulk looked at Spider-Man and Goku. "I will come back very soon, with my friends." With one final jump, Hulk disappeared into the distance. The city was silent. People slowly came out cheering. Spider-Man sighed in relief. "Guess teamwork really does make the dream work," Goku smiled. Until next time, the heroes stood tall, knowing this battle was only the beginning.